Today I will tell you how to set up a bot that will trade for you around the clock and generate profits even while you sleep. So let's get started. Trading bots on Bybit are specialized programs that automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency based on predefined algorithms, whether it's on the spot market with real coins or the futures market with leverage of up to 100x. To begin, go to the main page. Click on Trade, then tap the three dots in the upper left corner and select Trading Bots. You will see a dashboard with categories of bots in the center. Let's start with spot bots that work with real coins such as Bitcoin or Ethereum and have no risk of liquidation. In the menu, choose the Spot Grid bot. This tool will trade automatically for you. It buys coins when their price drops and sells when it rises. Your funds are split in half. One part is used to purchase coins, while the other is reserved for buying more if the price moves against you. Profits are generated from price fluctuations. It's important to know, the grid bot is most effective in a sideways market where the price oscillates within a certain range rather than trending in one direction. Its effectiveness may decrease during sharp price increases or decreases. Now let's go step by step to set up the bot for profitability. Go to Spot Grid. Click to select a pair and find Sol USDT using the volume filter in the spot section. In the bot settings, choose manual mode. Set the lower limit of the range, for example, $120. Set the upper limit of the range, for example, $185. Specify the number of trades. The bot will divide the range into 20 parts, each bringing around 2.7% profit. Enter the amount you want to invest. Click Create Bot. It will start working. Tip: if you're unsure what range to choose, use the AI strategy button. Bybit will suggest optimal levels based on historical price data. This is especially convenient for beginners. Want more content like this? Support me with a like and a comment. It's important for growth. Another interesting spot bot is the Smart Portfolio or AI bot. Go to the corresponding tab and you'll see ready-made portfolios along with a button to create your portfolio. This bot automatically rebalances assets by selling coins that have significantly increased in price and buying those that have decreased to maintain a set ratio, such as 40% BTC, 40% ETH, and 20% Doge. The interface displays the current portfolio balance, its returns, and a rebalance button to manually initiate this process. Click on the currency pair such as Doge, USDT, and a panel will open with two options: AI strategy and manual mode. The AI strategy analyzes the market and suggests a ready-made price range, number of grids, and amount, for example, a minimum of $24 for Doge USDT. The manual mode allows you to set the parameters yourself. At the bottom of the panel, you can see the estimated profit per grid and the minimum amount. It will be easier for beginners to start with AI mode to understand the mechanics of how it works. Now, let's dive into more advanced tools. The Futures Grid bot operates with contracts and allows you to profit from both rising and falling prices by utilizing leverage. Select Futures Grid bot, and you'll see subcategories: Futures Grid, DCA, CTA, and quantitative trading. The Futures Grid functions similarly to the spot market, but here you have the option to choose long or short positions. Go to the Futures Grid tab, select a pair such as BTC, USDT, and a panel will appear with AI strategy and manual mode. In AI mode, the exchange offers preset parameters: price range, number of grids, and leverage. In manual mode, you can set these parameters yourself. On the right, you'll see the minimum amount, for example, $34, along with an example using 5x leverage, which also displays the estimated liquidation price. At the top of the panel, there's a risk parameters button where you can choose between isolated or cross margin and set leverage from 1x to 125. There's a trailing grid toggle that moves the order range with the market during significant price fluctuations. Tip: beginners are advised to use lower leverage, 2 to 5, to reduce the risk of liquidation. Don't miss this important update. We have launched a Telegram channel with an AI agent that monitors the market 24/7. You'll find fresh insights, analytics, trading signals, and a live chat with traders. Soon you'll also have access to a personal AI assistant. Click the link in the description to stay updated. There is also a Futures DCA bot available under the DCA tab. This bot gradually purchases an asset as its price decreases, helping to lower the average cost of your position. It operates in both the spot and futures markets. Select a currency pair such as ETH USDT and a panel will appear on the screen with AI strategy or manual mode. On the right, you'll find the minimum amount, historical returns, and a create button. In the settings, you can establish the frequency of purchases and the maximum number of orders. The more frequently the bot averages the price, the more stable the results. However, this will require more funds. Managing bots. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the My Bots section, which displays all your active strategies. Here you can see currency pair, type, spot or futures, current profit, floating P&L, margin used. On the right, you'll have action buttons available: configure to change parameters, close to stop operation, copy settings to create a new bot with similar parameters, share to showcase your strategy on social media. Next to it is the history tab, where you can view completed bots along with final returns, launch dates, and closure dates. In the bot rankings section, you can find top strategies from other users, sorted by returns, popularity, or type. Click on an interesting strategy and a window will open with its parameters and a copy button to launch the same one. Tip: before deploying someone else's strategies with real funds, it's best to test them in demo mode. The demo mode on Bybit is a great starting point for beginners. In the demo trading tab, you can test any of the bots, spot grid, DCA, or CTA, all with virtual funds, without risking your capital. If you have questions about the setup, there are detailed video tutorials and guides available on the platform covering everything from strategy selection to risk management. It's important to remember, bots are not a magic earn money button, but a tool for automation. Manage your risks and allocate your capital wisely. Now you know how to launch a bot and earn passive income. Want more strategies, analytics, and ideas? Join our Telegram. Link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please support us with a like and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next episodes.